Prior to Queen's, I did my undergraduate in medical degree. I did that at WC State Medical University, Georgia, where I was studying for like 6-year course with a year of internship included in it. I chose MSc in Clinical Anatomy because I had a very keen interest during my undergraduate studies, and Queen's particularly because they are excellent reputation in the field of health and medical sciences, and secondly the amount of prosecutions they have is really good, because I still believe in a few countries the cadavers have been replaced by mannequins, and it doesn't give us a proper visual output of what we expect, because what we see in textbooks is different in the pictures than what we actually see in a human being. My experience while the career was going was really so much engaging, so much positive. We had a lot of guest lectures from the outside where we had to communicate with them. We had a lot of case-based learnings, which actually helped me improve my clinical knowledge, anatomical knowledge. Apart from that, we also have a very good amount of specimens, and the amount of time that professors we get engaged with them and the staff that we get engaged, and the support we also get in return is fabulous. It's not just the clinical anatomical learning, not just the academic, they also help you sharpen your career paths. My first impression of Queen's, I was a bit scared because when I came in, it's a new place, I didn't know anybody from here, but Queen's is really warm, really welcoming, and Belfast itself is a beautiful city. To me particularly, I would say my best is Macleay's and the Botanic together, because like whenever you're studying, it's open 24 hours and you can just go out for a break to Botanic, and it's really nice. I lived in Queen's accommodation, and it was really one of the best choices that I've made. It's because it is a very good location, very close to my university. It's like 10-15 minutes walk. The rooms were quite spacious, and I got to know a lot of people from different places, so it helped me build a very good bonding with everyone. Outside of university, my life is pretty simple. I just do two things. I travel and I go to the PEC. So recently I've been to Ballycastle. It's a very heartwarming. I go to PEC very frequently, and the very good thing about PEC, I picked up a new hobby. It's badminton, and badminton is usually on Saturdays and Sundays in the weekends. It's good fun. The top tip that I would give the students was get engaged early on with the professors and the guest lecturers, because it is going to give you a very good opportunities in carving your path for the future. It will help you keep you straight, focus you more on your goals. So get engaged as early as possible with everyone and accommodate yourself with that.